Hello, today we'll be discussing function notation. So when we have a relation that is a function, there is a special notation that we can use, which we call function notation. The notation y equals f of x denotes that the variable y is a function of x. Keep in mind, this does not mean that we're going to be multiplying f times x. It might look that way, but it really is just a way to denote the x and y variables. The notation provides us with a simple way to denote the values of y, or the outputs of the function that correspond to individual values of x, or the inputs. So that's kind of confusing, so now we're going to move on to some examples. First off, what do we mean when we write f of 3? F of 3 is the output value y that is determined by the input value x equals 3 for the function f. Similarly, f of -1 represents the output value y that corresponds to the input value x equals -1. Let's look at another example. Suppose we have the function f of x equals 2x minus 4. To find the value of f of 3, we replace x with 3 in the function and simplify. This is called evaluating the function. So we have 2 times 3 minus 4. We get 6 minus 4, so f of 3 is 2. For this function f, when x is 3, y is 2. To find f of -1, we replace x with -1 in the function and simplify. So we have 2 times -1 minus 4. We get -2 minus 4. So f of -1 is equal to -6. This notation tells us that for this function f, when x is -1, y is -6.